Hello everyone, welcome to Infinity. So today I have Moto G60 with me and I'm gonna unbox it. Moto G60 comes with the big 6000 mAh battery, 108 megapixel high resolution camera and a stock Android and a lot more. Opening up the box, on top we have the phone itself. We get the SIM ejector pin and some leaflets and manual guides. इसके अलावा हमें बॉक्स में माइक्रो USB to Type C केबल और 20 वॉट का फास्ट चार्जर देखने मिलता है. Moto G60 comes with a pre-applied back cover. Removing it from the phone, the quality is okay. Removing the screen cover. Well, booting up the phone, this is the first home screen that you will get on your first boot up. As you can see, it's currently running on Android 11, but I have received an update. Talking about the design and button placement of Moto G60, it comes with a very clean and simple design. The phone comes in two colors, that is moonless and frosted champagne. This is moonless variant I have. Talking about the button placement, on the bottom side we have the main microphone, Type C port and your speaker grill. On the right side we have the power button with different design, a volume rocker and surprisingly a Google Assistant key. You know, it's very rare to see a Google Assistant key on a budget segment phone. On top we have the headphone jack and secondary mic. On left we just have the SIM tray. It's an hybrid SIM tray, so either you can put two SIM or you can put one SIM and micro SD card. Well, moving towards the UI of the phone, it comes with MyUX, which is basically a stock Android. I have recently updated it to Android 12. At the time of unboxing it was running Android 11. Phone does not have always on display, but it comes with the Moto display feature. If you touch the phone or move it slide, it will turn the screen on to show you the notification. Talking about the fingerprint sensor, it is one of the fastest physical fingerprint sensor which I have used recently. As you can see, the fingerprint is placed at the back side of the phone and it's really fast, and the Motorola logo is also imprinted in the fingerprint area. As I have told earlier, the phone comes with stock Android, so there are no bloatwares and no ads at all. Apart from stockish look and feel, it has that Moto features. It comes with basic customization and it also supports themes. Other Moto features like chop to turn it on and off the flashlight are there. Twist the phone to turn on the camera. The phone comes with fairly big size display, that is 6.8 inch, and it's an IPS panel. It's a full HD plus panel and it has a PPI around 400 something. And the screen to body ratio is around 85%. It also comes with fast 120Hz refresh rate, so scrolling through the UI feels smooth. Being an IPS panel, I like the colors it displays. It's sharp and vibrant overall. Talking about the build quality, it comes with a plastic body design and it weighs around 225 gram. I think that 225 gram weight is not heavy in my opinion, because it comes with very beefy 6000 mAh battery. Well, the phone also comes with the Moto Turbo Power 20 watt of charger in the box. I think that the combo of stock Android and 6000 mAh battery definitely gonna last you for 2 days. It's one of the great IPS panel I have seen recently. It gets pretty bright enough outdoors, so you won't be facing any issue looking at the screen, and it also gets pretty dim, as you can see here. Well, the most surprising thing which I came across is that this Moto G60 comes with NFC support. I have not seen any budget phone coming with NFC. Not just that, the phone also comes with water repellent design, so there won't be any problem if this phone gets wet. Well, talking about the performance, the phone comes with tried and tested Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G, which is basically a gaming processor designed for gaming. Moving towards the camera, it comes with triple camera setup. It has 108 megapixel main sensor, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel macro vision. Well, the first impression looks really great. So that was my first impression and unboxing of Moto G60. So let me test the phone more in depth and I will come back to you with my full review. Till then, take care, stay safe. See you soon in the next one.